Hey everyone, I'm Melinda and welcome back to Reining in my Dystonia. I won't typically do reviews, but if there's an item I really depend on and like and think it's a good product, I will do one and let you know why. Okay, so this, as you see here, 40 volt rechargeable Ryobi lawnmower, and it pretty green lime green color. Here you go. I will put a link to it in the description. We bought an aftermarket rechargeable battery for it because we also have one of their hedge trimmer. I suggest just spending the money and buying the an original battery or a better one. I don't know. The knockoff battery seems to bog down more when I use bog down when I use the aftermarket battery that we got on Amazon. So that's just an FYI. See, here's some of the grass. Some of it's like 4 inches tall, 5 inches tall. Cuts through it, no problem. Except if I'm using the knockoff battery. If it gets too thick, then it bogs down with that. So anyway, there we go. Through the years, we've bought mowers for me to use that have been hard to start because of my weak shoulder or whatever. So it is Dystonia related. It's a very light mower. It's not the propelled one. It's the regular rechargeable Ryobi. I always wanted one, but they were pretty expensive in the beginning, so we didn't get one. But we got this one. Let's see, I think this is the second summer with it. Anyway, for any of you that do yard work or enjoy doing some of this, I enjoy mowing the lawn because I can see results. That dog kills me. Lawn was tall and overgrown, needed to be mowed. I mow it, and there's a result I can see. Nice, freshly mowed lawn. So this is the Ryobi 40 volt rechargeable lawnmower, and I will find a link to link y'all to it, and strongly suggest if you mow lawns and get tired of dealing with those gas mowers, this is the way to go. I love this mower. And it's light and easy. I also have a weed whacker. It's not a Ryobi though. It's a Black & Decker. I did research these lawn mowers before I settled on this one. This one was good at cutting grass that was tall. This one, all the reviews was that it was good to cut tall grass. So that's why I got it. So, thank y'all. Have a great day.